Zengo Pro Full Review, Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Welcome to my full review of Zengo Pro. Links to the product and additional resources are in the description below. Let's break down its features, strengths, and weaknesses to help you decide if this wallet suits your needs. Zengo Pro is a premium keyless cryptocurrency wallet that prioritizes security and user experience. Built on advanced threshold signature technology, TSS, it eliminates the traditional private key, replacing it with a combination of secure backups and biometrics. This approach makes Zengo Pro highly secure while also addressing the risks of private key loss or theft. Designed for individuals and small businesses who need a secure, user-friendly wallet, Zengo Pro supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies and tokens, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and popular stablecoins. One of Zengo Pro's standout features is its biometric authentication system, which allows users to access their funds with ease and confidence. The wallet also offers 24/7 in-app customer support, making it ideal for beginners or anyone new to crypto. With its multi-chain compatibility, Zengo Pro can connect to DeFi protocols, dApps, and NFT marketplaces, giving users broad access to the Web3 ecosystem. Additionally, the wallet includes features like automatic backup recovery and an integrated Web3 firewall for monitoring and approving transactions in real time, reducing exposure to phishing attacks. In terms of security, Zengo Pro's use of TSS ensures that sensitive data is never stored in a single location, making it resilient against hacks. The no-seed phrase approach enhances its appeal to users who prioritize simplicity without compromising on safety. However, Zengo Pro isn't without drawbacks. The reliance on biometrics could be a concern for those who prefer traditional private key systems. Additionally, while the wallet's design is user-friendly, it may lack the advanced features and customizability that experienced traders or developers require. Finally, Zengo Pro's premium features come with a subscription fee, which might deter casual users or those looking for free solutions. In summary, Zengo Pro is an innovative and secure wallet, perfect for individuals who value convenience and cutting-edge technology. If you're looking for a wallet that simplifies crypto management without sacrificing security, it's worth considering. Check the links in the description for more details.